Today we're diving into one of the most talked about future combat aircraft, the new 2026 Mikoyan Mig-41. Russia's next-generation interceptor is rumored to push speed, altitude, and technology far beyond the legendary MiG-31. What is the MiG-41? The MiG-41, often linked to the PAKDP program, is designed as a high-altitude, ultra-fast interceptor. Its main mission is to defend vast airspace, counter hypersonic threats, and replace aging MiG-31 fleets with a platform built for future warfare. Extreme speed and performance. Reports suggest the MiG-41 could reach Mach 4 or higher, making it one of the fastest manned combat aircraft ever conceived. Advanced engines, heat-resistant materials, and optimized aerodynamics aim to support sustained high-speed flight at extreme altitudes. Stealth and advanced design. Unlike older interceptors, the MiG-41 is expected to feature reduced radar signature, internal weapon bays, and next-gen composites. While not a pure stealth fighter, it balances speed, altitude, and low observability for survivability. Next-gen sensors and avionics. The aircraft is rumored to carry a powerful AESA radar, AI-assisted battle management, and long-range detection systems capable of tracking stealth aircraft, satellites, and hypersonic missiles. Weapons and mission capability. The MiG-41 is expected to deploy long-range air-to-air missiles, anti-satellite weapons, and potentially hypersonic interceptors. Its role focuses on strategic defense rather than dogfighting. Why the MiG-41 matters. If these plans become reality, the MiG-41 could redefine the interceptor role, combining speed, altitude, and advanced technology in a way no current aircraft does. Closing. That's a quick look at the new 2026 Mikoyan Mig-41, a future interceptor that could change air defense as we know it. Stay tuned to Bike Zone for more next-gen aviation and defense updates.